subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei is going to announce its new smartphone in Malaysia called Nova 7i, and it is actually a rebranded version of Nova 6 SE that was launched earlier in China last month. The Huawei Nova 7i will support a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch hole at the top left corner, which will house a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a quad camera setup and a squarish module, which will include a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, accompanied by 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro lens and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Kirin 810 chipset paired with Mali G52 MP6 GPU. The device will pack with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 based on EMUI 10, but due to US ban, it won't ship with Google services. The smartphone will come backed by a 4200 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charging support via USB Type-C port. Additionally, there is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. The Huawei has confirmed to launch Nova 7i in Malaysia on February 14th. And currently, the company haven't revealed the pricing details. But according to current price of Nova 6 SE, which is 2,199 Chinese yuan, we can expect the Nova 7i could price around 1,295 Malaysian ringgits. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei Nova 7i smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.